So let's learn about the flatten function. So what I have here is a schedule, a student schedule for the week, and these are the courses they're taking. So what we want to do is to figure out how many times per week they're taking each course. So what we're going to do first is to use the flatten function to just sort of take all of this data in the green box there and just spit it out into one column. Now I'm going to select the range and press F4 to make it an absolute range. That puts in the dollar signs. Hit enter. And now what we've done is taken all that data from the selected range and spit it all out into one column. So we're starting with math, then art, English, physics, math, eco. This way of presenting the data is a bit messy because it has those spaces in between. But we can get rid of the spaces by simply sorting. And so what it does is it takes all the spaces and put them at the end. The next thing we're going to do is present the data with each subject shown only once. And we use the unique function for that. So now all of the courses that the student has taken is presented only once. So now we're going to see how many times they're taking each course per week. We're going to use the countif function first. The way the countif function works is it will count how many times in the range that particular selected variable appears. So it's equal countif this range, and let's make it fixed by typing F4, is equal to that. Hit return, and it appears twice. If you look through there, you can see art appears twice. And drag it down. It's going to do the same thing for all the others. All right, to make this SUMIF function, we're going to use a series of steps, and I'm going to walk you through each. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to come under here. This is equal to the same range, F4 to make it static, and another equal sign, G2. Hit return is going to give an error, but I'll show you how to fix the error. So it's an error because this should be an array formula. So we got to come in front here and we got to put an array formula, open parentheses, the end. And so what it's doing now, it is checking each of the cells and returning true or false. You can see it returns true here, and there only everywhere else is false. Another thing we're going to do is to replace true and false with 0 and 1. And to do that, we use a double negative. So we come in front of the formula, double negative, open parentheses, and now we get zeros and ones. You see that? This now will allow us to count more easily. In order to count, we simply need to use the sum function. Sum, hit return. And so now it's just counting all those zeros and ones, and it's returning 2. So that's the formula that we need to take from here and paste into this cell. So we come here and we're going to double click on the formula, Control C or Command C, and we're going to come back here and we're going to paste it in. Hit return, and now we can simply copy it down. We should get the same values. Perfect, and that's it.